Hello, everybody. I'm here in the clinic for aesthetics. I have another patient here with us who's a little bit over a week out. She just had her surgery done. We did a replacement of her previous implants. Can you go ahead and state what type of implants you had prior?
I previously had saline implants, and then I had one rupture after the 12-year mark. So I came back in to have them redone and had silicone put in this time.
Perfect. Do you remember what size it is that you got?
This new time, I got the 500cc with can't remember what it wasn't the boost. It was the
High profile?
high profile.
Yeah. So those are really good. They look really natural. How are you liking the results so far? Now that you're a little
So far, I like them a lot. They feel natural. They look natural, and I'm happy with them.
Perfect. And then go ahead and tell us a little bit about your experience from the day of surgery. How has your recovery been since then?
Recovery's been very well. I haven't had very much pain or discomfort, just been relaxing and enjoying the time off in recovery.
She gets to recover and she gets to settle down for a little bit. Alrighty. And then how would you recommend our clinic on a scale of 1 to 10 to like your family, friends, and anybody else who's looking to do a similar procedure to what you had just done?
I would say a 10. Everybody's been very friendly, very attentive. I love Dr. Mirafati. He's very detailed when he goes over the instructions and information and any questions you have. So yeah, I would definitely say a 10. Very comfortable, not any issues at all. Been very happy with everyone.
Amazing. So go ahead and stay tuned with us. She is going to come back in about 5 weeks to go ahead and see her after results for her 6-week post-op. So stay tuned and then we will go ahead and follow up with her then.